Worth it nga ba mag-relax dito sa Cello Wellness Spa? Located in Block 3, Lot 14, Phase 3, Greengate Homes, Malagasang 2A, Imus, Cavite. This newly opened wellness spa offers an affordable yet luxurious treatment for our body. Since day off ko sa work, me and my mom decided na mag-book sa kanila online. For me, 4 treatments yung inavail ko. The hot stone therapy, ventosa cupping therapy, ASMR Japanese head massage, and therapy chair. We started sa hot stone therapy. It helps relieve pain and muscle tension. Plus, nakakatulong din to para sa better blood circulation at para maibsan ang pananakit ng likod, balikat at leeg. Next is yung ventosa cupping therapy. Kung hindi mo pa natatry ito, this therapy uses suction cups na nilalagay sa likod. The cups create a vacuum effect which helps improve blood flow and release toxins from the body. Since lagi akong stress at puyat, nag-avail din ako ng ASMR Japanese Head Spa. This treatment relieves headaches at mental fatigue. The therapy started with gentle strokes sa scalp and temples. Super relaxing, parang ASMR triggers in real life. Yung soft tapping and scratching sounds adds to the calm atmosphere, making it so soothing. For a quick and convenient way to relax, especially kung wala kang oras for a full massage, their therapy chair automatically gives you a full body massage experience. It has kneading, rolling, and vibration functions that targets your back, shoulders, arms, and legs. And for my mom naman, nagpa-foot paraffin treatment siya. This treatment isn't just for relaxation. It also helps soothe muscle stiffness, ease minor joint pain, and keep your feet looking healthy and refreshed. At ito na nga guys, to answer your question, yes, sobrang worth it dito sa Cello. Dito kasi for as low as 1,500 pesos, pwede mo nang ma-experience lahat ng to. Ito nga pala yung mga packages na ino-offer nila ngayon. For bookings and inquiries, you can message them sa kanilang Facebook page. Open sila sa walk-ins, pero mas marerecommend ko sa inyo na magpa-reserve kayo para less hassle.